It looked like candy, such a delight. He opened it up, took a peek. Colorful pills, small and sleek. Sam thought, yummy, candy treat. He took the few, so fun and sweet. But soon his tummy hurt so bad. Sam cried, Mommy, I feel so sad. Mom rushed over, worrying fast. What did you eat? What did you have? She saw the bottle on the floor. Oh no, Sam, please no more. She called the doctor, full of fear. Come quick, please, and hurry here.
Don't worry about it.
The doctor came, calm and kind. Don't worry, Mom, we'll fix this in time. He gave Sam medicine, soft and slow. Soon Sam's tummy began to glow. Sam said the doctor, feeling low. Medicine's not candy, now you know. It might look fun, colorful and bright, but only grown-ups know what's right. Mom placed the bottle way up high, out of Sam's curious eye. Now Sam knows, he'll always say, medicine is not candy, that's the way.